Continue the same chapter, De Moivre's theorem. Then show that condition number 1, a0 minus a2 plus a4 minus a6 plus up to so on is equal to 2 to the power n by 2 cos n pi by 4. Second condition, a1 minus a3 plus a5 minus a7 up to so on is equal to 2 to the power n by 2 sin n pi by 4. Right. Given 1 plus x whole power n is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dot plus an x to the power n. Put x is equals to I. 1 plus I whole power n is equal to a0 plus a1 into I plus a2 into I square plus a3 into I cube plus up to so on an I power n is equal to a0 plus a1i I square value minus 1 minus a2 I cube value minus I minus a3i like so on. So here independent of items I am writing a0 minus a2 plus a4 plus so on plus taking common I a1 minus a3 plus a5 up to so on. Make it as equation 1. So now we need to go for LHS part. 1 plus I is equals to x plus iy. Compare the real and imaginary parts. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Now go for magnitude root over x square plus y square, that is equals to root 2. 1 plus I multiply divide with root 2 for this condition, root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. First condition or first function write in cos, second function write in sine. Root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sine pi by 4. This can be written as root 2 into 6 pi by 4. So LHS value to the power n is there. So 1 plus I whole to the power n is equal to root 2 to the power n into 6 n pi by 4. Make it as equation 2. So now equation 1 is equals to equation 2. So equation 1, equation 2 value is 2 to the power n by 2. Root 2 is there, that one we are writing it as by 2. 2 to the power n by 2. C sin pi by 4 we are expanding. Cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4. This is our calculated LHS. Is equals to A naught minus A1 plus A minus A2 plus A4 up to so on, plus I times of A1 alternate minus odd numbers, A3 plus A5 up to so on. We need to write a word here. Now compare real and imaginary values, we get 2 to the power n by 2 into, first we are comparing real values, n pi by 4 is equals to A naught minus A2 plus A4 like so on. Second imaginary value comparison, 2 to the power n by 2 sin n pi by 4 is equals to A1 minus A3 plus A5 like so on. This is the answer. This question is most important and frequently asking question, but everyone has to practice this question. Show that 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8 by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus I cos pi by 8 to the power 8 by 3 is equals to minus 1. This question is most important one. Right. Let sin pi by 8. This one we need to write in terms of cos angle. So here in general we have 1 plus cos theta and sin theta value. But here 1 plus sin is there. This one we need to write in terms of cos. So that one we need to write it as sin pi by 8 is equals to cos 3 pi by 8. Sin pi by 8 is equals to cos 3 pi by 8. So again cos pi by 8. This also we need to write in terms of sin pi 3 pi by 8. How? Just we need to check once. So this one we are writing it as cos of pi we are writing 4 pi minus pi. I mean 4 pi minus 3 pi. Pi we can write it as 4 pi minus 3 pi. 4 pi minus 3 pi by 8. Separate them. Cos of 4 by 8 in the sense pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 8. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Sin 3 pi by 8. In the first condition also we did like this, but I have written directly. For this one you need to know. So how we got second function, we expanded like. And we have one formula, 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Here instead of cos, how much we have? I mean cos theta in general. So here instead of sin we need to replace cos 3 pi by 8. So that one we are writing 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8. That one we need to write it as 2 cos square 3 pi by 16. And sin 3 pi by 8 we need to expand this also. That is sin submultiple formula, 2 sin theta by 2, that is 3 pi by 16, into cos theta by 2, that is also 3 pi by 16. Now everything replace in our given condition. So 1 plus sin pi by 8 replaced with cos 3 pi by 8. Cos 3 pi by 8 minus I times of cos pi by 8 replaced with sin 3 pi by 8. Sin 3 pi by 8 by same thing, here plus is there, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 minus same thing I sin 3 pi by 8. Here already we have the formula of 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, that is 2 cos square 3 pi by 16. That one we are writing 2 cos square 3 pi by 16 plus I times of 2 into sin 3 pi by 16 into cos 3 pi by 16 by again 1 plus cos 2 cos square 3 pi by 16 minus I times of 2 sin 3 pi by 16 into cos 3 pi by 16. So here numerator and denominator we can take common 2 cos 3 pi by 16. 2 cos 3 pi by 16 we are taking common. So here we got remaining value cos 3 pi by 16 plus I sin 3 pi by 16, that is our numerator value, by denominator also same thing, 2 cos 3 pi by 16 denominator cos 3 pi by 16 minus I sin 3 pi by 16. Here we can cancel 2 2 cos 3 pi by 16 cos 3 pi by 16. Next to this value cis 3 pi by 16, this value we can write it as cis 3 pi minus 3 pi by 16 is equals to cis 3 pi by 16 by cis of minus 3 pi by 16. Denominator minus sign is there, that will goes to numerator plus. So cis 3 pi by 16 into cis 3 pi by 16. Cis A into cis B, cis of A plus B, that is 3 pi by 16 plus 3 pi by 16, that is equals to cis of 3 plus 3 6, 6 pi by 16. But here in the given question, whole to the power 8 by 3 is there. Now entire question I am writing 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8 by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus I cos pi by 8. For this entire thing, power 8 by 3 is there. 8 by 3. So is equals to this value we got here 6 pi by 16 to the power 8 by 3. That is equals to 6 pi by 16 into this will multiply 8 by 3. Now we can cancel 8 ones are 8 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are, here 3 will get cancelled. So here the left out value is pi, cis pi. This can be expanding as cos pi plus I sin pi. By the known values, cos 180 is minus 1 plus sin 180 is 0. That is equals to minus 1. This is required answer to prove. If z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0, where z is a complex number, where z is a complex number prove that z plus 1 by z whole square plus z square plus 1 by z square whole square plus z cube plus 1 by z cube whole square plus z power 4 plus 1 by z power 4 whole square plus z power 5 plus 1 by z power 5 whole square plus z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 whole square is equals to 12. Given z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0, this indicates z is a cube root of unity. That is z cube minus 1 is equal to 0 implies z is equal to 1 and z square plus z plus 1 is equals to 0. So let z plus 1 by z is equals to 0. I mean z plus 1 by z. We need to calculate this value. Take LCM, z square plus 1 by z. From this condition, we can take z square plus 1 value as minus z. So minus z by z, we can cancel, we'll get minus 1. Here we can cancel, we'll get minus 1. Next to, so we conclude that z plus 1 by z value as minus 1. Now SOBS, squaring on both sides, a plus b whole square formula. Z plus 1 by z whole square is equal to minus 1 square, will give it as 1. Implies expansion, the a square plus 2 into ab, in the sense z into 1 by z plus b square is equal to 1. So here again reciprocals will get cancelled, implies z square plus 1 by z square is equals to 1 minus 2, will give it as minus 1. Again we got that value z square plus 1 by z square is equals to minus 1. Again SOBS. Again SOBS, z square plus 1 by z square whole square is equals to 1, implies a square whole square z power 4. Same thing, reciprocals will get cancelled. Directly I am writing 2 plus 1 by z power 4 is equals to 1. Implies z power 4 plus 1 by z power 4 is equals to 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 1. Next to, we know that z is equals to 1 or z cube is equals to 1. Cube root of unity, z cube is equals to 1. Now z cube plus 1 by z cube, 1 plus 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, and z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6. This can be written as z cube whole square plus 1 by z cube whole square, that is equal to again 1 plus 1, that is also 2. Next to one more left value, z power 5 plus 1 by z power 5. Z power 5 can be written as z cube into z square plus again 1 by z cube into z square. Z cube value 1, so z square, again z cube value 1, z square, that is nothing but minus 1. So we have each and every value of LHS. So now I am writing LHS. First to z plus 1 by z whole square plus z square plus 1 by z square whole square plus z cube plus 1 by z cube whole square plus z power 4 plus 1 by z power 4 whole square plus z power 5 plus 1 by z power 5 whole square plus z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 whole square. So here we got this value previously as minus 1, z square plus 1 by z square also minus 1, z cube plus 1 by z cube, here only we have 2 square. Again z power 4 plus 1 by z 4 value minus 1, z power 5 plus 1 by z power 5 value as also minus 1, z power 6 1 plus 1 by z power 6 value we got here 2. So is equals to 1 plus 1 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 1 again 2 square 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, 10 11 12. So this is equals to 12. So required answer has been proved.